Ha ha ha. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Joker. Today we're diving into Bybit's largest and most electrifying event, AI-DOL Superstar. And before we begin, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. This isn't just another crypto event, it's a trade AI chain showdown where you can support groundbreaking projects and grab your share of a massive 1 million prize pool. Whatever you're a seasoned trader or new to the game, this event has something for everyone. Let me break it all down for you, step by step, reward by reward, and show you how to make the most of this amazing opportunity. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the heart of this event, the rewards. The 1 million prize pool is split into two main categories. The first one is the grand prize pool, each $100,000. If you back the winning project, you'll share a 600,000 pool. And here's the kicker: if you correctly pick all four winning projects, you could walk away with a whopping $88,000 plus vouchers. With at least 10,000 voting points, you get a guaranteed share of an additional 200,000 pool. Also, daily lucky draw, $200,000 complete task vote and unlock up to $200,000 every day. Your chance to win is just a vote away. So now let's break it down into simple steps so you can join the action. So the first step is register for the event. Just click to connect wallet, and I choose the Bybit app. Just scan your QR code with the Bybit wallet. I will scan it right now. So after scanning the code, just refresh the page and the wallet is appear right here. So the second step is earn voting points. You can rack up voting points by holding Bybit Store or trading on Bybit Sport or the X Pro. Remember, the more you hold and trade, the more points you earn. So step 3 is vote your favorites. Use your voting points to back your favorite AI projects and help them debut on Bybit Spot. Every vote counts, and every day is another chance to support your favorites. So the last step is unlock rewards. Vote daily for a shot at lucky draw, and if your chosen projects win, you could walk away with rewards of up to $88,000. So before you jump in, here are some key rules and tips to keep in mind. You must have a trading history to participate. Web3 will verify this when you connect your wallet. Voting points are only valid for the day they're earned. Make sure to cast your votes daily, or they automatically be assigned on the projects with the most votes. The leaderboard updates regularly, but final ranking will be verified by Bybit's risk control and data churn. And remember, this event is only valid for eligible participants, so check the term and condition to ensure you qualify. So let's tackle a few common questions. So first one is, what is AI-DOL Superstar? AI-DOL Superstar is an electrifying AI chain trading and voting showdown where cutting-edge AI projects battle for a chance to be listed on Bybit Spot. Supporters can hold a BB Soul or trade on Bybit Spot, the X Pro, to earn voting points, vote for their favorite projects, and share 1 million prize pool. So you can check all the questions right here with the answers, and also you can check the terms and the conditions. So there you have it, the AI-DOL Superstar event on Bybit with 1 million in rewards up for grabs, exciting projects to vote for, and daily tasks to complete. This is your chance to be part for something truly groundbreaking in the AI and the blockchain space. Don't miss out. Head to the event page, connect your wallet, and start earning those rewards today. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which project you're baking. See you in the next video. Ha 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 ha.